Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a price list on Canva by using the Canva template. So here I've already opened the template tab on Canva, and you can just start by searching for the price list template. Okay, so Canva will provide you with lots of choices that you can pick that you think suitable for your business. So for example, I want to use this one, this pink beige price list. You can just click on the template that you want to use and wait for it to load. Okay, so in here you can just start by maybe changing some of the items from here, or you can also add your own logo. You can delete this one and add your own logo to the template. Okay, I'm going to add, for example, my website in here. You can just type in okay, and then after that you can add your own logo. Okay, so let's say this is my business logo. You can put it anywhere you like, but I'm going to put it in here like this. Then you can adjust, well, for example, the items or the price by double click on each item and delete it and add your own item. Okay, so after that, when you're done, if you want to change the color, by just click on the color here, then you can adjust it to your brand color. And when you're done, just click on the arrow to download the price list, or you can print your design right away. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.